Hey, Crystal Bramlett with Century 21 Bush Realty Group, and today we are at 8230 Manalani Place, nestled in Diamondhead, Mississippi. Let's check out this BAYOU waterfront oasis. This luxurious three-story home is a true gem on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, conveniently located between the vibrant city of New Orleans and the bustling coastal towns of Gulfport and Biloxi. Step inside and you'll be captivated by the grandeur of 21-foot ceilings adorned with exquisite 11-piece crown molding. The main floor is designed for entertaining with a spacious room featuring floor-to-ceiling surround sound system, perfect for family gatherings and celebrations. This luxurious kitchen has top-of-the-line appliances, marble countertops, and is looking for its next chef. If you think this primary suite looks good, you should check out this bathroom. The living areas are inviting, creating a perfect blend of comfort and sophistication. Have you ever seen an indoor and outdoor pool inside of the house? Relax in the indoor and outdoor hot tubs or take a refreshing dip in the pool, creating unforgettable memories against the backdrop of the Mississippi Gulf Coast. This home has tons of amenities: boathouses, grilling areas, hot tub, pool. This home is designed for the ultimate in and outdoor living. If you'd like to see this house in person, please give me a call.